Because, ladies and gentlemen, if the PNM does not form the next government, the entire future of Trinidad and Tobago is going to be in jeopardy. Make no bones about that, ladies and gentlemen. We have started the development process. You can look in every sphere and in every area of activity, and you will see substantial progress in every area that is benefiting each and every one of you, that will continue to benefit you, benefit your children, and benefit your children's children. So that my appeal to you is this. A lot of able-bodied people on election day have this way that you like to wait for somebody to come to take you to the polls. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can get to the polls on your own, wait for nobody, please. Get up early, say your prayers, go to the polls. By 12 o'clock, try as much as possible to have voted. Make sure by midday that you have voted, ladies and gentlemen. Then come back home and start calling your friends. Have you voted yet? Go to the polls. Go to the polls and cast your ballot for the only political party that will give you the security of your future. When you vote, ladies and gentlemen, for a PNM candidate, whether it's in San Fernando East, whether it is in Pointe-a-Pierre, whether it is in San Fernando West, no matter where in Trinidad and Tobago, once you vote for a PNM candidate, you vote for a party that is concerned about the people in real need. And that is why we say we love you, so we take good care of you. You will be voting for a party that understands Trinidad and Tobago's problems and constituency problems. You will be voting for a party that keeps its promises, a party that looks after the interests of people, a party that have honest candidates, a party with a good team of leaders, a party that represents all religions and classes, a party that is in touch with ordinary people, a party that do not overpromise to win votes, a party united, strong, moderate, and not extreme. And then Monday the 24th, on the night of Monday the 24th, you will be able to join with thousands of people all over Trinidad and Tobago, when you will be able to say, great is the PNM, great is the PNM, great is the PNM, and it shall prevail. Thank you, may God bless us all and bless our nation.
Now you must be sure, we go straight back to government. We vote in PNM, we vote in PNM, we vote in PNM, right back to government. We vote in PNM, we vote in PNM. Now you must be sure, we go straight back to government. We vote in PNM, we vote in PNM, we vote in PNM, right back to government. PNM people, put your hands together once more for our ever so devoted and efficient Minister of National Security, the Honorable Martin Joseph. Well, you know what they say, knowledge is power. And this evening, we are providing you with key information, bombshell after bombshell, so that you will not be fooled by the antics of those airy-fairy members opposite.